What if I tell you that cold water does not cause cough or catarrh? Yes, you heard me right. Growing up, it was almost a crime for your mom to catch you drinking water straight from the fridge. She would shout, "Do you want to get cough and catarrh?" What if I told you that she was actually wrong? Cough and catarrh are not caused by cold water. They are usually caused by infections like viruses, which is the common cold, or sometimes allergies and irritation in your nose and your throat. So what about cold water? Cold water may irritate your throat a little, especially if your throat is already sensitive. It can also make mucus feel thicker or more noticeable, which might make you clear your throat or cough briefly. But here is the key part. It makes the symptoms feel worse, but it did not create the actual sickness. Just imagine pouring petrol on a fire that was already burning. The petrol did not start the fire, it just made it loud. So the next time you drink cold water and you cough small, don't panic. Your body is just reacting, not that it is getting infected. The bottom line is that cold water does not give you cough or catarrh. Germs and allergies do. Remember, one lesson a day, and before you know it, you are no longer an olodo.